Oh, what the hell? Oh, so we finished all morning.
5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles west of your wildlife management area for 23. Hazard, ping pong ball, hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kerr Wildlife Management Area, US-83 near the Kerr-Kimball County line, US 377 near the Kimball-Edwards County line and Braid Ranch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your weather synopsis.
Well, that was random. I'm surprised you went off.